Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the fast charging in this device. Simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option battery. So again scroll down, tap on charging settings. So here you can see the option fast charging. Now the fast charging is already enabled. So after enable this option fast charging, when you plug your phone charging, then go to the lock screen. Now you can see fast charging. Alright, if you disable this option, now again I am going to plug in my charger. You can see it is only showing charging. Right, so simply in this way we can enable or disable the fast charging in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.